used to wear this to the lunchroom. Word up. Whenever I got the small tray, I used to flex on the lunch lady like, more. I'm like, I want 2 slices. I'm like, so the fries I get? She's like, 2 milks. You know. Like, bitch, where's your green card? Yeah, 2 trays is what I'm talking about. 2 trays. Hundreds. I'm cutting class and I'm eating it. I'm cutting class and I'm eating it. His lunch, I'm eating it.
Well done.
And when I went to school, lunch was the subject. When I ate that sandwich, I was in the Mercedes. So if I take a shit, we gonna call it Mercedes. Blowing up the bathroom, asked me for 100, cause I broke the toilet. How you gonna say that? Every time I take a shit, they ask me for 100, cause I broke the toilet.
What's going on, man? It's your boy KP.
Yep.
And this is my homeboy,
Relly Bino.
Make sure you guys hit that
Like button.
and then you need to
Subscribe.
Thanks for the love. 2 fingers is inviting, T.
I think 2 fingers is great.